A landmark ruling by the European Court of Justice this week means the UK government can now be sued for breaching EU air pollution laws. The government has admitted it will not meet pollution limits until 2030, 20 years past the deadline. The court dismissed the UK's plea for more time to meet the targets.
Well, air pollution in London is much worse than most of us have realised. It's probably the second biggest cause of early death, and levels of nitrogen dioxide, which is a toxic gas and the main gas which is regulated for health and legal purposes, is about 2.5 times the World Health Organization guideline and legal limit. From a health perspective, everyone is affected, of course, by pollution, but obviously the vulnerable people are a lot more affected, and people may lose up to 10 years off their life if they have a heart attack or stroke, for example.
Many of us don't realise it, but streets like this one in central London are amongst the most polluted in the world. Modern air pollution may not be visible, but it has a major effect on our health. Researchers in King's College London have played a big role in building our current knowledge about this problem.
The big thing about London's air, and in a lot of other big cities in Europe, is that it hasn't improved as much as we thought it was going to in the last 10 or 15 years. It's largely connected with the fact that diesel emissions haven't actually improved over the last 20 years.
The levels of air pollution in London are tracked using around 100 different monitoring stations. This one in Marylebone Road is the biggest. Machines here give hourly updates on the levels of surrounding pollutants. Professor David Green uses these instruments as part of his research into air pollution levels around London.
They all measure a range of gaseous pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, or the mass of particles either in PM10, that's particles less than 10 microns in diameter, or PM2.5, that's particles less than 2.5 microns in diameter.
Diesel cars may have helped us to reduce our carbon dioxide emissions, but they are also the likely culprit for poor progress in reducing local air pollution. After the EU ruling this week, however, we may now see bigger attempts by the UK to move away from diesel and to comply with legal air pollution limits. This is Jocelyn Timperley reporting for The Greener Good.